I'm Neil, and I'm the teacher.
And I'm Sean, and I'm the deal maker. Together,
We're the Rise Guys.
Welcome back. This week we covered the one duty you can never shortcut, disclosing material latent defects. Get this wrong and it can cost your client and your license. Let's break it down. It's the trap that catches good agents. A material latent defect is a problem a buyer can't see on a normal viewing. And if you know about one, you must disclose it. Selling as is doesn't get you off the hook. As is covers what both sides can see. It doesn't cover what you knew and didn't say. And a verbal heads up isn't enough. It has to be in writing. So follow 4 steps: inquire, ask the seller the hard questions, verify, don't just take their word for it. Disclose in writing, and advise your buyer to get an expert to look closer. Take a 1978 home that might contain asbestos. You don't downplay it, and you don't give your personal opinion. You recommend an offer conditional on a property inspection, and you let the experts do their job. Same with a basement reno that has no permits or an old underground fuel tank with no paperwork. Disclose what you know in writing and be honest about what hasn't been verified. Because the cost of staying silent is a civil lawsuit, a voided contract, discipline from RECA, and your reputation. Cost of disclosing is one honest sentence. Write the sentence. If this was helpful, like and subscribe. New webinar summary every week so you never miss one.